Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, as you see me sitting down on a nose, say I am up to something different. Today I'll be doing a reaction video. Actually, I think this is going to be my first official reaction video. And guess whose video I am going to react to? Tickssy TV. I hope I pronounce it right. I'm going to put the link for his channel in the description below. The sun out the door blind me. I try if he use my head to block the sunlight from outside, guys. So I seen to this video when I tell people say to hold the coke, police are come to hold the coke, and it's so hilarious because behind the whole video, yeah, that's just smart. That's just being smart. Some have to do it over. You understand? And remember guys to comment down below, and remember to subscribe to his channel also. And remember, if you are new to my channel, please to also subscribe. So sit back, relax, and wait for it.
Police are gonna up now. Holy court is general. Do me a beg of general. Police. General. Holy police are minister. Holy court now. Police general. Holy court general. Move. General. Holy police. General. Holy court. Police are come. General. Police are minister. Police are general.
He must put a lot of thoughts in this video. Do it. Big up yourself, Tickssy TV. So I'm actually reacting to Tickssy TV video where I say hold the coke. You understand? So when the people run up and down and think I quote them again, but guess is what? It's a drink. He's actually telling them to hold the cokes. The Coca-Cola drinks. Let me get more into this.
Jesus Christ, mommy, I don't say police come hold on for the court for me. Police come, mommy. Mommy, hold on for this. Can't go back. Jesus Christ, I'm a come, mommy. Mommy, them a come, mommy. Mommy, what am I? Jesus Christ, mommy, them a come.
No, darling.
One for the. Jesus Christ.
Listen to me, man.
Mommy, want to do it, mommy.
I said no, darling. No, darling.
Stop me up, mommy. Mommy. Leave that.
No, darling.
Jesus, I fear one, daddy. I fear.
Listen to me, man.
Mommy, police are no holy coke. Holy coke, no mommy. Police, holy coke for me, no mommy. Pretty good, holy coke for me, no. Holy coke for me, no coke in there. Holy police are come, mommy. Holy coke for me, no mommy. Mommy, you can't holy coke for me. Holy coke for me, no mommy. Police are come, mommy. Holy coke for me. Holy coke. Holy coke for me, police are come. Mommy, police are come. Police are come, mommy. Holy coke, no. Oh God. Police are no holy coke. Holy coke, no mommy.
Watch out.
Holy coke for me, no mommy. Pretty good, holy coke for me, no. Holy coke for me, no coke in there. Holy police are come, mommy. Holy coke for me, no mommy.
This is hilarious. That's hilarious.
Holy coke, me police. Holy police are come, holy coke for me. Holy coke, mommy. Holy coke for me. Holy coke for me, no. 50 pound of coke, mommy. You know I reach 50 pound. You know I reach, mommy. Holy coke for me, no mommy. Oh God,
You know
mommy,
the
I'm
supermarket
going
they have Santa Town. I actually know it. Know that too.
Officer, evening, sir. You know somebody? Holy coke for me, no.
Listen, this is hilarious. But trust me, Tickssy TV, big up yourself, people. If you don't subscribe to him TV in channel, me I go put them. He's very smart, but him brave because me not do them a kind of prank here. You mad? Prank people who me don't know.
If me not care, if me not care, if me not go deliver him, I'll kill him.
This part take the key and go to the police.
He say if me not go deliver the coke, he kill me. Eh? Coke in about that. Say you can't carry me up there. Eh? Look for you. Oh man, look at officer. Kill him. Me know what the man says. Right. General, police, all the coke for me, General. Police are come, police, all the coke for me, General. Police, only for me now. General, all for me now. General, just only now. Only for me now, General. No, General, he not gonna know how I feel, General. Only for me now. General, all the coke for me, General. All the prison, all for me now. All the coke for me, General. They want me to go prison. They want me to go prison. All the coke for me, General. I give 50,000, General. You know, I give 50,000. I give 50,000 for all. 50,000 me I give, General. 50,000 me I give. 50,000 me I give. Yeah, man, catch on it. Push on it. Give me coat. Yeah, man, push on it. Give me push on it. Push on it. No. Only coat, General. No. Show me coat. Yo, General. Me have a share coat. Show me coat.
That moment when you take out the cokes, the man start laugh. But you know what I like with them too? Him don't only show the prank. Him show say make the people him know it's a prank. And him, you know? So him don't just leave the people them stranded.
Some help.
Police, please, move. Only coke for me, please. Only coke for me. Only coke for me, only coke for me.
Them brave.
Police, only coke for me, mommy. Do. Please, mommy, you can't only coke for me. Do me a beg.
No, take care of me, don't lock up.
No, they not lock up. They not lock up. Only coke for me, mommy. Only coke for me, mommy. Mommy, only coke for me. Only coke for me, mommy. Do. Only coke for me, mommy, please. Only coke for me. Do. You can't have a big ass prison. Only coke, mommy, you can't. You have to come back to them. Only coke, mommy. 50K night. You know, 50K. That's only the man is so come. Only coke for me, mommy, please. Only coke, mommy. Mommy, easy now, mommy. Mommy, easy now, mommy. Mommy, you are going to mommy. Sure. See coke there, mommy.
But the fact said, listen.
And there, put in that seat, man.
The fact said, the woman hold the bag over her head. Well comfortable. Well comfortable.
Push on it. No. Only coke, General. No. Show me coke. Yo, General. Me have a share coke. Show me coke. Only coke. Police hold me down, General. Police are come, General. Only coke from the General. Only coke now. Only coke from the General. Only coke from the General. Only coke, the General.
This is mine. Nothing here, nobody.
Sure, coke. 50K a coke, mommy. Oh, yeah, move some, mommy. See coke, the mommy.
You might hit them.
No, General, police are all a coke for me, General. Police, only coke, 50K. Only coke for me, General. Police, General, do me a bigger, General. 50K, only for me, General. No, General, only coke. You know, me I give 50,000. Me I give 50,000. Only coke, and she see police, General. 50 coke, only coke for me, General. You can't go back to jail, you know. A prison where you come from, General. Only coke for me, General. General, only coke for me, General. General, only coke for me, General. Only coke for me, General. Hide the coke.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry Gooders. As you know, this is my first reaction video. My first official reaction video. And I start with Tickssy TV. Guys, this video that I reacted to, it's hilarious to me. It's funny. And he put a lot of thoughts in it. So that's the reason why I reacted to it. So please remember to subscribe to his channel. I'm going to put it in the description box below. And remember also, guys, to subscribe to my sister channel. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. The link will also be in the description box below, guys. See you guys. Bye. I'm out.